I got my car buying shirt on today. You know what that means. We're going to buy a car. We're buying a 2004 Mustang 4.6 2-valve 5-speed. So it is nothing special, but we're going to buy it and do like a hot rodding on a high schooler's budget type thing. I set myself a budget of $4 grand for a car and mods because I feel like most teenagers are going to have around that budget for their first car. So that's what I'm going to spend on this car, plus the mods. Roll the footage of me and Riley going to buy this thing. Riley, what are we doing today?
Taking a road trip.
That we are, and we are going to look at the ugliest generation of Mustang. I have a thing for ugly cars. So I sold the Camaro like a month ago, and I have been itching like a fiend for another car since. And it's not that I don't have anything to drive, but it's that I don't have a beater car to drive. And the proper recipe for a hot rod is to be reasonably fast, manual, V8, and rear-wheel drive. This one doesn't have that first piece, but it's got the rest. It's V8, it's rear-wheel drive, it's very ugly.
There you go.
Have arrived. We have a Mustang here.
I just gotta remember we ain't got no plates.
What?
There's no plates on it.
No plates?
No, I thought you realized that.
No.
No plate evident.
Wow, this is a weird seating position. The seat's like reclining on. I just want to go down. Let me down. Put me down, muscle mommy. Alrighty, y'all, we have done the negotiations, we have done the test drive, and we are now on our way home. It looks like we are in this car for $2,900 plus fuel, and I think that's a pretty good standpoint. This windshield's disgusting, and we are bone dry. She's about to be buried at ease, so we gotta go get some gas on the way home, and hopefully clean up this nasty interior. But let's get to it.
Lift it. Nah, put it back in. Lift the tube. There you go. Get every cent worth.
I know it's dark right now, but the headlights, one was aimed at the ground and the other one was aimed at the sky, and both of the adjustments don't exist under the hood anymore. So I used a couple pieces of cardboard, and take a look. Aside from this horribly dysfunctional windshield, I now have headlights. I call that a win. Now I'm with Mitch, and I went back to pick up the car a little bit later, and I let him drive the Mustang, and we're gonna see up here whether the New Edge Mustang with 355 gears, a little exhaust work, is faster than my stock 5.3 half-ton. On you! Yeah, it's faster. Not by much, which is kind of disappointing, but it is faster. New day now. I'm going to go wash the Mustang. I will show you how disgusting it is right now. I'm going to hit it with a vacuum. I'm going to hit it with just about everything it needs because she's rough. Before I could even get to cleaning it, the air filter fell off on me. So I'm gonna fix that. I don't have many tools with me, but I figured out I cannot fit my long screwdriver in there, so I need the stubby one. It's about 3 inches. I also have. Anyways, this is installed now. Let's go wash the car and then go have some fun because my parts won't be here for another week and I want to post a video. You're going to see me use this, but I actually really do not like this product. It's pretty much red water with a scent, in my opinion. I actually much rather using Dawn Power Wash on my wheels. Nothing against chemical guys, but I really don't like this. Might be like, oh, Jake, why don't you wax the car? Well, 2 reasons. We're going to convince Mitch to buff this thing. Second reason, water doesn't really stick to the paint anyways. A lot of elbow grease. I'm getting the nasty off my steering wheel. It's proving hard. I'm cleaning up the rest of it pretty well. I got this very clean. Just some Simple Green, some Dawn dish soap, some odor ban. Cleaning up the car pretty nicely here. And then we'll be able to go have some fun. Try to clean the rest of it up because it was a mess. So as you can see here, the car came out pretty good with just a clean, but there is a lot of imperfections that hopefully Mitch is going to be able to take out in the next video because he's much better at buffing than me. You can see the interior came out pretty good too. I do have some stuff in here, but overall I was able to clean it up pretty good. The driver's seat's very torn up, but the center console and the steering wheel are much cleaner than they were at least. I probably could still do a little bit better. Overall, the car is starting to come together. I just picked up some wheels today that you guys will see in the next video. This was my very quick and easy headlight fix that I have to refix the right way. But for right now, please do enjoy some other clips of me driving this thing and going out and having some fun while I wait on the parts. Pink tail-lighted Volkswagen?
I think we do.
Ask him to do a 40 roll.
No, he's not down.
No?
No, he's too fast.
Try a second gear clutch dumpy?
I don't know about second gear. I don't think this thing's got enough knot.
Oh, you don't think it's got enough knot?
Oh, second gear.
I was hoping to have more for this episode, but I definitely don't. None of my parts are coming in and I haven't been able to have time to make any progress on the car. Next part, you'll see this whole car to come together. I'm looking to do maybe 2 or 3 parts on this round. So we'll see how everything comes together. I'm looking to do wheels, tires, probably lower it a little bit. In the spirit of hot rodding on a high schooler's budget, we're probably just gonna chop the springs. Also definitely needs a short throw shifter because first, third, and fifth are in the dash and second, fourth, and reverse are in the back seat. But you'll see that all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.